welcome to the Forex Expo 2021. I am with Wasim from FX Cubic, which is a fintech company. Could you please tell me about your features of your company, please?
So FX Cubic is a fintech company specialized in development of low latency softwares, more specifically connectivity tools in order to help connect liquidity providers with trading platforms. Within our user interface, we offer many features. If I wanted to highlight some of them, it was the fact that within the user interface, we have a full risk management system, a full reporting system, we have a price aggregator, a depth monitor. All of them are developed in a way that looks very user-friendly to our clients.
Say the systems are to kind of reassure and allure people to come to your company.
There are many competitive advantages, one of them being the fact that the system is freely hosted, so we don't have access to any data. We install it on the broker sides, and that's important for brokers, especially of a certain size, because it allows them to have control over their data and confidentiality over it. We also have features that give the possibility to brokers to create synthetic instruments. So by mixing different pairs and different symbols, coming out with new exotic symbols in order to diversify and customize their asset classes. We do have very advanced features related to both A-book and B-book executions. We do have copy trading on the bridge level. We do have a full reporting system that is compatible with different regulatory bodies in various jurisdictions, and I can keep talking a lot, but if I wanted to highlight one of the main aspects, and it's the reason we came to Dubai as well to promote it, it's our new risk intelligence dashboard that we call the RXI. That is basically a way to pull data from the different MT4, MT5 servers and show them in a simple aggregated way that is customizable by the broker so that they can see on real time, and this is pure real time, their P&L, their exposure, and most of the indicators that is important for their business and to make sure that they are monetizing their operation properly. FX Cubic in general is also very strong in everything related to support. We give a very particular attention to our clients. We are not only very reactive, but we are proactive in our approach to our clients. We try to give them best services, go the extra mile, and we consider every client as a partner that we want to succeed with.
Well, I'm sure people will feel very secure in coming to your business. Thank you very much, Wasim.
Thank you again for the expo. Please guys, come by the booth, let's talk business, let's talk bridging, and welcome to FX Cubic.
Thank you very much, FX Cubic. Thank you. Take care.